Hey, what's up guys? Today's video I'm going to show you how you can split your screen in your Samsung. So for that, let's go ahead and launch a app. In my case, I have launched CapCut. If you would like to split your screen, let's go ahead and point to the top right hand side and swipe down diagonally. Now as you do that, you will see that my screen has been minimized, but if you would like to split it like 50-50%, tap this three dot icon and simply tap on this button right here. And now you can see that this is CapCut, and for a second I can open any application. So let's go ahead and select calculator, and you can use it both. So if you would like to, quit out of this, simply, press this button and it will take you to your home page. So likewise guys, if you would like to minimize your screen, again repeat the same process. Point to your top right, hold down diagonally, and you will be able to see it. You can either minimize this size while using other application, for example, settings. And just like so guys, this is how easy it is. Thank you for watching.